What
Yeah.
advice, what advice would you give a couple of friends that want to start something that are younger, coming out of college, kind of like you were with your buddy?
Yeah.
They got an idea. What are 2 or 3 things you want to share with aspiring entrepreneurs today?
Yeah, well, I think the things that have helped me be successful as an entrepreneur, the first thing is I teamed up with a co-founder who has very similar goals.
Mm.
So we're aligned in what we're doing, but we each bring sort of distinct skills to the table. So this allows me to focus on things that I'm good at and parts of the business that I enjoy, while he deals with the stuff that, he enjoys and he's good at. And that's it. It makes it easy for me to sort of bring enthusiasm and passion to the table every day because I'm doing what I like. So that's one thing. The other thing that I would say is that you really want to build strong processes and systems around your business, which makes it easier and more effective when you delegate control to other people. Because you can't do everything yourself. I think it's natural for entrepreneurs to think that they can do everything better than everyone else.
Right.
But if you have really good processes and systems that people can follow, chances are they can do it nearly as good as you can because you made the processes. You came up with the way to do it. So, and this took me kind of a long time to figure out, but now that we've been able to delegate and sort of hand a lot of control over to our employees, it frees up my time to really focus on innovating and making LugLess cheaper and easier than checking.
Sounds like you and your co-founder get along just fine after all these years.
Yeah, I mean, we do, and I think it's because we're aligned and we focus on different things, and so we're not fighting over the same decisions.
Yeah, but there's had to be times where you call them and you want to tell them to take a hike for the day. There's got to be some of that in there.
Yeah, there have been ups and downs, but yeah, I mean, we've known each other for longer than we haven't, so we're basically like family now. It's been a long time.
Do you run it as like co-CEOs, or how does that work?
We are co-CEOs. The other thing that sort of helps is we were both in Boston for probably the first 8 years or so, but then he moved to Connecticut, so he's been remote since 2000, for a while now. So I sort of run our day-to-day operations, technology and stuff, and he oversees all of our business development and marketing. And so
so you're not in the same office getting on each other's
nerves. We're not in the same
every
office,
day.
which probably helps a little bit too,
Very, very good. And there's clear separate. The employees know what you handle versus what he handles. It sounds like there's clarity there.
Yeah, we have really good clarity around that. And it's really, really helpful to have. I can't imagine running a business alone because it's always good to have someone to run ideas off of and stuff. And it's just made us, I think we make better decisions as a team than we could ever do alone. So
It sounds like a 50-50 split though. What happens when you disagree? Would you flip a coin?
Yeah, my dad said that to me. He's like, never own a business with just one other person, because what do you do when you don't agree?
Right.
We haven't. I don't know. We battle it out until someone wins. I don't know.
If you think today's tip or guest interview can help someone you know, please share this with them. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. If you're listening on YouTube, don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when we release a new episode. Our show features entrepreneurs, business executives, and the stories behind how they got there, as well as daily tips on career advice and job interviews. You can visit Riderflex.com to learn more about us and get information on the recruiting and consulting services we provide. Thanks so much for listening, and have a great day.